Hi guys! Welcome back to Crafty Kids! In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to make a really easy paper flower. So this is a very easy way of making a paper flower and is useful too. So I've posted many videos on my channel about how to make easy paper flowers and crafts as well. So you guys can visit that video if you haven't visited it yet. So this will be a really easy and fun craft to do as well. So as you guys know, as Valentine's Day is coming up, you guys can even use this as a Valentine's Day craft, and you can use it you can gift it to your Valentine or your friend or any person that you love. And you can even do different designs, and if you want, you can even draw like a heart, and you can write any message that you want, and you can stick it at the back part as a message as well. It's according to you. This will be a really easy and fun craft to do, and also be really easy to make. And you can also use this as a normal day-to-day craft as well. So for example, you can use it to decorate your house. You can take like a plastic cup and you can fill it with pebbles, and you can even put this make like many easy flowers like this and put them inside. And you can even make it for just for fun. It will be a really easy simple craft to do as well. So without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this really easy paper flower. So now let's get into the video. So first we're going to be taking a rectangular piece of paper of red color like this. So you guys can take any color paper in any size that you want. So I'm just going to be taking this in this size. So the next step is that we're going to be cutting a little bit portion off. So I'm not going to be taking it really big. So I'm just going to be cutting a little bit piece off of this like this. So now we'll be having a normal rectangular piece of paper. So it will be like a normal average size. So this will be like about 1/4. The width size will be like 1/4 of an A4 sheet, and this one will be like 1/4 on this side as well. So totally it will be like 10 into 6 centimeters. So you guys can take any size that you prefer. So the first step is that we're going to be folding this piece in half like this. So the next step is that I'm going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting it. So we're just going to be leaving the space. So we're going to be taking like one finger gap over here like this, and we're going to be cutting this paper until this much. So if you guys feel like it's kind of hard, you can take a scissor and you can mark the line like this over here, or else you can take like a pencil or a ruler and you can like use to mark the line. So for demonstration, I'm just going to be taking black permanent marker and I'm going to be drawing a small line over here. So I'm just going to be a light line, so I'm just going to be showing it to you guys. So like this much in this range, we're just going to be cutting it. So as you see, until this part we'll be cutting it, and besides that we're not supposed to cut it anymore. So now I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting it until this part over here. So it's not supposed to exceed that part, because at last we're going to be gluing it to the top part, and if it exceeds it, then the gluing won't be perfect and your flower won't turn out well as well. So this is just a simple normal flower as a house decoration. So if you guys want more flower tutorials with different shapes and sizes, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. I'll try to make more flower tutorials which are more interesting than this. So before we go to the next step, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So if you guys want me to post any other videos on my channel, and if you have any doubts in my videos, don't forget to comment in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. If you also have any suggestions that you want, you can also comment that as well. So now we've completed cutting it. So as you see, the stripes are quite big over here. So now if you guys want the flower to be more cute and more perfect, you can just cut this into smaller pieces as well. So if you have like a bigger strands like this, you can cut it into even more smaller pieces like this over here. So it's according to you. If you want like to make a design full as well, you can just like do like curly cuttings like crosswise or any other pattern that you like. But if you make any other things, that'll be kind of complicated, so I'm just making it easy. So also be careful while cutting, because if you cut it too hard, this piece like sometimes might even come away like this. So this piece came away, so please be really careful while doing that. So we're just going to be cutting it over here as well. We're going to be cutting these big strands off too over here as well. So now we've completed, and we'll be having a cute part like this over here. So now we're just going to be opening this piece gently like this. This is the same step we're going to be using to I've already posted a video on my channel about how to make a paper lantern. So we use the same method. So if we like just roll this piece in half, we'll be getting a lantern, which will be also really easy and cute way of making. So if you guys want, you can visit that video as well. I've already posted it on my channel. So next we're going to be opening it, and we'll be having space over here and at the top. So we're just going to be applying glue over here. Just don't apply too much glue, because if you apply too much glue, then the paper will become soggy. So now we're going to be sticking this to the top, and I'm just going to be applying a little bit of pressure and force so that it sticks properly. So now it's almost ready. So now we're just going to be taking this and we're going to be rolling it. So we're just going to be rolling it slowly like this. So don't apply glue or anything. We're just going to be rolling it on both the sides to check if the foldings are coming perfectly. So we're just going to be keeping this aside, and I'm going to be taking a green piece of paper like this. This is for making the stem of the flower. So I'm just going to be taking this piece and I'm just going to be rolling it gently over here. So if you guys want, you can use like a chopstick or like a ice cream stick or any other thing if that you want. If you want to, if you're going to make it in a smaller size, and if you're going to be using it for your dolls and everything, you can really use like a toothpick for doing it. Any size that fits you can be used. Or else you can just use normal paper like this. It's according to you about how you do it. So now we've completed sticking this. So now we're just going to be folding it at the edges. And now I'm going to be cutting the edges off like this over here. The next step we're going to be doing is that I'm going to be placing it over here at the edge part of the flower, and I'm going to be applying a little bit of glue over here like this, and I'm going to be sticking the top part over here. So now we're just going to be rolling our flower gently like this. This is a very important step because sometimes the stem might come out, so be really careful and slow while doing this part. So I'm just going to be rolling it gently over here like this. So now we'll almost come to the edge. So once we complete this part, we're just going to be rotating it over here. And at last, I'm going to be applying some glue at the edge. And I'm going to be sticking it. So sometimes the stem won't be stuck properly. So you guys can ensure it properly at the last. So over here, I'm just going to be pressing it and I'm going to be inserting it inside over here. So if your stem comes out, it might come out like this sometimes. So then you can apply some glue inside the flower that we made. You can just apply a little bit of glue on the sides like this. And now you can insert it so that it sticks properly. This is a simple craft to do, so you don't have to complicate it very much. So next, we're just going to be placing it over here. And we're going to be sticking it to the floor like this. We're just going to be pushing it from the top so that all the top part of our flower will be separated and look nice. So the next step we're going to be doing is that over here in the stem at the bottom part, we're just going to be doing some small cuttings over here. This is not a compulsory step, but if you do, it will be looking like kind of cute and it'll be like a designful at the bottom. So we're just going to be, if you're going to be sticking it somewhere else, also you can just apply some glue and stick it. We're just going to be doing some cuttings over here. So next step is that we're moving on to the top part. So we're just going to be inserting the scissor and we're going to be cutting each small strand that we cut into small pieces like this. So this is also not compulsory. If you guys want, you can leave it as it is. But if you cut it at the top, it will be more prettier and it'll also be more overlapped. So here, two pieces are stuck together. But if you cut it, it'll look like you use more paper and look more colorful and more spread out. So that's why we're going to be cutting it. So if you guys want, you can do it for a few pieces and you can leave the other pieces as it is. But we're just going to be leaving it, cutting all the pieces so that we'll get a good look at the edge. So I'm just going to be cutting a few more pieces that we have as well on this side. So now almost all the pieces are cut in small pieces like this. So now our flower is also almost going to be ready. So here I did not do this step, but I'm going to be teaching you one more method as well. So if you're not going to be using it at a home decor and if you're going to be using it as like a Valentine's Day gift, you could do this step to it. So you can take a small remaining piece of paper, the red paper we have, and I'm just going to be cutting it into a small square like this. So now I'm going to be folding this piece in half over here, and we're going to be cutting off a small heart. So we're going to be cutting a big line like this and like a curved line over here to this center. And if you open it, we'll be having like a small cute heart over here. So now you guys can stick it to the bottom part of the flower like this over here. So this is also not compulsory. If you're going to be using it for Valentine's Day, you can try this out because it'll be a really cute and significant gift for Valentine's Day, and it'll also prove that it's a good Valentine's Day gift and also be really useful and creative as well. So if you guys want, you can use a pen and write a message at the back, but I'm just going to be turning it to the back and I'm just going to be drawing like a small heart at the top over here on these two sides over here. Then I'm just going to be writing Happy Valentine's Day over here. So Happy Valentine's Day. So if you guys do not have space, you can even use a bigger size paper as well. So happy Valentine's Day. So I've completed writing that. So I just wrote it over here, and now we can turn it. So as you see, we'll be having like small marks because I used a permanent marker. So you guys can use a pen, or else you can even take like one more paper, like a heart. So you can write the message, then you can stick one more piece of paper like this. Then at last you can cut it into a heart and stick it as well. So after we complete this, our really easy paper Valentine's Day flower is ready. So this is a very easy way of making a paper flower, and it's useful too. So that's all for today's video. So before you continue, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So I just made this as a really simple and easy craft to do for Valentine's Day, because many of you guys will be like small children and it will be hard for you guys to make. So you can give this to your mom, your dad, or your siblings for Valentine's Day as well. Or else you can do like more decorations, and you can make like more flowers like this, and you can tie it together as a bouquet, and you can even decorate it and do some more crafts and decorations. And I've already posted many videos on my channel regarding Valentine's Day, so you guys can check out that playlist, and you can take all the small gifts ideas that I give you guys, then you can put it into a small gift box and you can combine it and give it to your Valentine as well. So that's all for today's video. So thank you for watching all, and if you have any ideas or suggestions about what to post on my channel, don't forget to comment in the comment box below, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.